So this is the Soho single turbo kit. Morning YouTube, it's your boy Speedy46 coming to you with another video. Let's go ahead and get this started. Give you guys a good little cold start. Check it out, Turbo G. What is up YouTube? It is a beautiful day today. We have no gas, but it's a beautiful day, man. Perfect day to drive cars. But yes, sir. Some spooling noises for you guys. Hold on. I figured I'd wash this thing. It's so dirty. I just gotta get ready for tomorrow's car show. I'm gonna car show tomorrow with the homies, so I'm gonna wash this thing. But yeah, I'll probably go to a different spot to do the over review on the car because it's kind of loud here. So I'll probably go somewhere else to make the video. But yeah, you guys, look how dirty my rims are, bro. Oh my god, this shit got chicken pox. That's crazy. Bro, that is so bad. Yeah, let's clean that all off. Crazy. Crazy, man. Man, them Nismos is popping, man. I love this color on this car. I was thinking of wrapping my car, but I don't know what color to wrap because I don't want to change the color of my rims. So we'll see though. Woo. Damn, bruh. The car's air out looks so good. Bro, look at these. Oh my goodness, bro. That looks so good. Like, that's fire. Man. So yeah, so it's too loud at the car wash right now, so I'll do the video somewhere else, but I had to show you guys this, man. This would look mean with a carbon fiber hood. I don't know. I was gonna do the breakdown video right here, but it's still a little too loud, so I don't think you can hear me. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave out of this spot. But I actually got some pretty cool pictures here, man. Pretty clean, like the sunset and everything is clean, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to a different spot and do the breakdown video, and then we'll just go from there. But God, this thing's so clean. Sheesh. That turbo? All right, so we just found this fire spot to do the review, and wow, bro, I gotta come back here to take photos. But yeah, so we're gonna do the price breakdown right here. Man, oh my god, this is like the best time of the day to do any type of photos, videos, whatever. Everything's just popping so fire on this thing right now. Like, wow, man, that is so clean. That interior super fire, dude. Like, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The breakdown. Oh my goodness, look at these Nismos, bro. I don't care what anyone says. Nismos are so fire. And then in this colorway, come on. Let's go ahead and get started into it. So before we jump into anything crazy, let's go ahead and start with the exterior of the car. All right. So as you guys know, or some of you guys don't know, this is an IPL G37 coupe. What that means is It is not your regular Sport or Journey G37. This is basically the equivalent to a Nismo 370Z, 350Z, Nismo GTR. It's just for, it's like the Nismo of Infinity. So IPL stands for Infinity Performance Line, and that's basically what this is. So what it comes with is, you know, a different bumper. So as you can see, that's the IPL bumper, and then it comes with the IPL side skirts, and then the IPL rear. That's the IPL rear bumper. Okay, so yes, that's all stock. You can probably find a clean IPL for around like $15,000 to $16,000. Clean title, that is. And my car is actually very, very rare because one, I have the red interior. The red interior is super expensive to find like by itself. So it's like $2,000 to $3,000 for the interior itself. And then on top of that, mine's a 6-speed manual. So super rare combo and everything. So that all stuff came with the car. So yeah, so you can find one of these, the manual with IPL, the red IPL seats, for about, I want to say 16 to 17,000, even more. You know, I see this thing selling for like 20 grand sometimes. So, but yeah, so that's gonna do it for the, you know, the body kit and everything. So everything else, let's dive into it. The starters, what everyone notices is the headlights. Okay, so I actually customized my headlights myself. I did it myself, so I didn't pay anyone else to do it. I actually got to redo them though. But so I have 2 halos, a demon eye, and then as you can see, I have the lightning bolt. In total, in all parts, it was about $300. Okay, and I also have an etched lens, so that was about an extra $50. So the headlights, about $400 for the parts, and I did it myself. Okay. Next mod would be the front splitter. Front splitter was done by my boy SD Designs. I actually have a video of him designing it and making it, so I'll leave that in the description below. I actually paid $250, what was it? I think $300 for the front splitter, and then for the side skirt as well, I paid $200 for the side skirt. And it's actually wrapped in carbon fiber. It's not actual carbon fiber. But yeah. I'm actually going to be changing that to all glossy. I kind of like the gloss look a little bit better. So next thing on the list are my wheels. I paid $3,000 for these wheels right here. As you can see, these are Nismo 370Z wheels. They come on all the 370Z Nismos. Well, not all of them, some of them, but yeah, it does come with the 370Zs. They look super sick. I have a rear in the front and in the back. Okay. They came mag blue already. That's just the real reason why I bought them, because they were mag blue in the Nismo and completely different. I haven't really seen anyone with this, so I did it. The next thing is my painted calipers. As you can see, I painted myself. The kit was about 50 bucks, and then I actually got the IPL oil slick decal on it. I'll leave their at like right here. And then everyone asked me where I got my Infinity center cap. That's the only one that came on my IPL wheels, and what I did is I just used the paint that was on the calipers that I used, and I painted on my center cap. So that's how I got that. All right. Next thing we gotta go is to the trunk. That IPL dog. All right, next is the trunk. Don't mind my trunk is a little dirty. I forgot to actually vacuum this part out, but whatever. So yeah, so here's my trunk setup. I'm actually bagged on Airlift 3P system, 444cc compressors. I have 2 of them, and then that's the manifold that comes with the Airlift system, and then that is a 5-gallon tank. I bought the kit used for $2,000, and then so far I had to fix a lot of things and had to buy that, so I say $3,000. All right, to get into the interior, okay, I've already explained to you guys that this is the IPL, so it comes with the IPL seats. These are extremely rare. You can find these online, selling for like $2,000 to $3,000 for the whole interior. And then mine's 6 shift. That is a boot that I got from my homie, my boy Sharuki. He actually hooked it up with that, and it matches my interior very well, so he hooked that up, so I got that for free. My steering wheel is a carbon fiber steering wheel. I actually got this one for free as well. My cousin was actually sponsored by Beat the Performance, and they hooked him up, and my cousin asked me if I wanted one, and I said yeah, so they hooked him up with this, and he gave it to me. So that's where I got this. So yeah, so I got this for free, but this would, you can probably get it for $400, $500 right there. You never know what's gonna happen. This is about 30 or about 20 bucks. So you got the good part under the hood. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get to how much I spent underneath the hood. For you guys that don't know, this is a Soho single turbo kit. It's the stage 1 kit. It comes with a Garrett 3582 reverse rotation turbo, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is a single turbo kit from Soho. It came with everything. It came with injectors, my fuel pump. It even came with my fuel return system, but I don't have that installed yet, but I do have it. So the kit itself, brand new, costs about, I believe, $8,000. That's brand new, and that's just for the stage 1. You can go stage 2, and it'd be like around $9,000 to $10,000. You get a bigger turbo, bigger down pipe, and up pipe as well. So yeah, so this is the Soho single turbo kit, the stage 1. Like I said, you can get different stages and stuff like that. This is the stage 1. I do have 1050 IDX injectors in the car currently. I also have a Aeromotive 340 fuel pump. That's what I'm using right now. And I do have a CJM fuel return system, but I don't have it installed yet. I was gonna do that later on once I go E85. So I don't have that right now. So yeah, but I do have that. And like I said, it came with the kit. The kit brand new is about $8 grand for the stage 1. I also do have a oil cooler, a 30 row oil cooler. I can't fucking talk today, dang. But I did pay $350 for the oil cooler from my boy Trigger. He actually sells them. That's where I got it from. So, but yeah. We got a car right here. Oh shit, bro, she legit almost crashed right now. Oh fuck, I don't think she knew there was a fucking dead end right there. Oh shit, damn, this girl almost Tokyo drift around that corner, bro. What? I don't know if you guys heard that on camera or not. Damn, that's what I was saying though. But yeah, this is from my boy Trigger. Oil cooler, it sits behind the, let me see if you guys can see down there. You can kind of see the lines, but yeah, it sits down there. One thing I forgot to mention is I do have a oil spacer that's from Z1 because my turbo is oil fed and it came with the kit. Walk around, that's the full mod list on my car. Still got more stuff to do. I forgot to mention this right here. This right here is for the headlights, so I can control it, the color and all that stuff. That's the Bluetooth controller. If you haven't watched my video of me actually retrofitting my headlights, go ahead and watch that as well. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm forgetting my exhaust setup. Okay, you can't really see it, but underneath my car, so I have the stock exhaust. I have the stock exhaust from the turbo back. Okay, so middle of the exhaust, I actually have an exhaust cutout right here, and I spent about $700 on that. It's a Qtp exhaust cutout, and it allows you to basically control the valve system and be loud and not loud. I love it because I don't have to be super loud all the time. I can be quiet, but when I do want to be, hear the turbo and stuff like that, I can, flip the switch and then it turns right on. And about tuning, I'm actually tuned by Eugene Turkoff with Enthusiast Care. So I spent $315 for the Qtp, $300 for the licensing, and then $600 for labor. And then you also need a pretty fast Windows computer. So I had to buy a brand new one. I spent $300 for that. So in total, I spent $1,515. But yeah, that's basically it. That is my G37 IPL single turbo mod list. In total, this is how much I spent. I'm gonna leave that on the screen. I don't even want to say it because I can't believe I actually spent that much money on this car. But yeah, this is how much I spent so far on my turbo IPL.